This is the Friday night Kiddush slower learning video. If you tried the other video and it moved too fast, where I said one phrase or sang one phrase and asked you to repeat it, I'm going to play each phrase 2 or 3 times each this time and then ask you to repeat it. Of course, you can sing it on the second or third play as well. So let's start. Here we go. Baruch Ata Adonai. I'm going to play that one more time. Baruch Ata Adonai. Now try that with me. Baruch Ata Adonai. One more time. Baruch Ata Adonai. Next one, I'll play it once. Eloheinu melech haolam. Listen one more time. Eloheinu melech haolam. Try that with me. Eloheinu melech haolam. One more time. Eloheinu melech haolam. Listen once. Orei. Listen one more time. Orei. Try that with me. Orei. Now sing one more time. Same thing. Orei. Listen to this. Peri hagafen. Listen one more time. Peri hagafen. Try it with me. Peri hagafen. One more time. Peri hagafen. And then everyone else says Amen. So just so you know, if you're helping people, you can sing Amen with them to let them know that you're supposed to say Amen, but technically we don't sing Amen to our own bracha or blessing. Everyone else says it. One more time from the beginning of this prayer, and this is the same prayer for wine we say any other time we drink wine or grape juice. Here we go. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam Orei Peri hagafen. Amen. Here's the next part of that we only do on Friday night Shabbat. Here we go. Baruch Ata Adonai. Just the same thing as before. Listen one more time. Baruch Ata Adonai. Try it with me. Baruch Ata Adonai. One more time. Baruch Ata Adonai. Next part, listen. Eloheinu melech haolam. Try that with me. Eloheinu melech haolam. Again. Eloheinu melech haolam. One last time. Eloheinu melech haolam. Listen to the next part. Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav. Listen one more time. Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav. Sing it with me. Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav. One more time. Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav. Listen. V'ratzavanu. Listen again. V'ratzavanu. Try it with me. V'ratzavanu. One more time. V'ratzavanu. Listen to this. Shabbat kodsho. Try that. Shabbat kodsho. Again. Shabbat kodsho. Again. Shabbat kodsho. part. Be'ahava uvratzon. Listen again. Be'ahava uvratzon. Try that. Be'ahava uvratzon. Again. Be'ahava uvratzon. Hinchilanu. Listen again. Hinchilanu. Try it with me. Hinchilanu. One more time. Hinchilanu. Listen to this. Zikaron lemaseh bereshit. Listen to that again. Zikaron lemaseh bereshit. Try that again with me. Zikaron lemaseh bereshit. Again. Zikaron lemaseh bereshit. Kihu yom tehillah. Listen again. Kihu yom tehillah. Try that again. Kihu yom tehillah. Listen. Lemikra el kodesh. Listen. Lemikra el kodesh. Try with me. Lemikra el kodesh. One more time. Lemikra el kodesh. Listen to the next part. Zecher l'tziyad. Try that. Zecher l'tziyad. Again. Zecher l'tziyad. One more time. Zecher l'tziyad. Mitzrayim. Listen one more time. Mitzrayim. Try that with me. Mitzrayim. One more time. Mitzrayim. Good. Let's go and go from the second part. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam. After the Amen. Ready? Letter B. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam. Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'ratzavanu. Try that much again. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam. Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'ratzavanu. Going on. Shabbat kodsho bi'ahava uvratzon hinchilanu. Zikaron lemaseh bereshit. Kihu yom tehillah lemikra el kodesh. Zecher l'tziyad Mitzrayim. Good going on. We're going to do each phrase 3 or 4 times. Kivanu v'acharta. Listen again. Kivanu v'acharta. Again. Kivanu v'acharta. One more time. Kivanu v'acharta. Going on, listen. Biotanu kidashta. Little slower, listen. Biotanu kidashta. With me. Biotanu kidashta. One more time. Biotanu kidashta. Mikol hamim. Try that. Mikol this. Shabbat Koshecha. Try that. Shabbat Koshecha. Again. Shabbat Koshecha. Again. Shabbat Koshecha. Next part, listen. Bi'ahava uvratzon. Again. Bi'ahava uvratzon. One more time. Bi'ahava uvratzon. Hinchaltanu. Try that. Hinchaltanu. One more time. Hinchaltanu. Going on. Baruch atah Adonai. Again. Baruch atah Adonai. Again. Baruch atah Adonai. One more time. Baruch atah Adonai. And I'm going to slow this down. Listen to this. Listen to this once or twice. Mekadesh. Listen again. Slower. Mekadesh. With me. Mekadesh. Again. Mekadesh. Last time. Mekadesh. Shabbat. Try that. Shabbat. One more time. Shabbat. And then everyone else sings, but you can teach it to them. Amen. And one more time. Amen. Okay, one more time. Amen. All right, so we're going to go from C, Kivanu, top of the page, straight to the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Kivanu.